Brought to you by our exclusive fabric partners. Be sure to look for their newest lines of fabric.
Welcome to Quiltmaker's Block Network. I'm Eileen Fowler from Quiltmaker magazine, and today I'm going to share with you Convergence, block number 494, designed by Amy Rilcotter for Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks Volume 5. I'll also share with you the interesting 3D unit that is used to create the illusion of curves in the block. For this 12-inch pieced block, you're going to need a variety of prints and tone-on tones. The fabrics you'll need and the cutting dimensions are on the right side of your screen. We'll begin by making the three-dimensional units. For Unit 1, you're going to take this square, fold it in half diagonally, and you're going to line it up with raw edges to raw edge on this light colored triangle. And then you're going to want to baste about 1/8 of an inch around the patch to hold it in place. For this unit, I'm going to use 2 light colored squares and a tone-on-tone rectangle, and I'm going to fold this rectangle in half, press that, and I'm going to sandwich it between the 2 light colored squares like this. Take it to the sewing machine. I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch down this side and press this open. Now you've got a unit that looks like this. If we open up this tone-on-tone print, you can see we can make a triangle. Just take that to your ironing board, press that in place. All right, we're going to use Unit 1 and Unit 2 to create a section of the block. You can see that we've got 2 of the Unit 2 sewn together like this. We're going to attach these triangles to the side and then Unit 1 to this side. This is what your finished section will look like, and now we're going to create the curve illusion. I've taken the edge of the triangles that we made three-dimensional, and I'm going to fold it back just slightly, and you'll see it's forming a gentle curve here. I will take this to my sewing machine and just stitch along that curve to keep it in place. So do that with all of these seams along the edges of the three-dimensional blocks, plus the seam along Unit 1 up here. Now we're ready to assemble the block. Start with a center square, sew these triangles to the top and bottom, sew these triangles to that center, and then add the sections we just completed. And this is your finished block. Here are a couple layout ideas for you. This is the block showing a setting of 3 by 3, and you'll notice in the section we've got the Unit 2s pointing outward. But what would happen if we had the same layout and had sewn the points of the Unit 2s pointing inward? Use these ideas as a starting point to play around with the block and find some other layouts. Visit us at quiltmaker.com for some free, fun quilty quotes. Convergence and 99 other fun blocks are available in Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks Volume 5. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you'll come back and join us again soon on Quiltmaker's Block Network. Now we're going to create the magic of illusion and curves. Nope, that's not right.